View of underlying data sources accessed through entity bean in Jakarta Enterprise Beans or EJB. Here you can see EJBs and other application components. Here you can see JDBC, Transaction Manager JTA, Entity EJB, JNDI, Message Driven EJB, JMS Server, Session EJB, Web Service and Web Services and Servlets are inside WebLogic Server. For example, here, Java client interacts with Session EJB. Session EJB interacts with the Transaction Manager JTA. Session EJB is connected to Entity EJB, JNDI, and Session EJB interacts with Servlet here. Here HTTP client interacts with HTTP server. HTTP server interacts with Servlet, and HTTP server is connected to web service here. Web service is connected to Session EJB. Here HTTP server interacts with Servlet. Servlet interacts with Session EJB. Here SMTP client is connected to web service. Then web service is connected to Session EJB. Here Session EJB is connected to Entity EJB and interacts with Transaction Manager JTA, and Entity EJB interacts with Transaction Manager JTA and connection pool. Connection pool, data source and JTS enabled driver are inside JDBC, and connection pool interacts with data source interacts with JTS enabled driver, and Transaction Manager JTA interacts with JTS enabled driver. JTS enabled driver interacts with DBMS, and Entity EJB interacts with JNDI here, and JNDI interacts with Session EJB, and JNDI interacts with Message Driven EJB, and topic and queue are connected to Message Driven EJB. Topics and queue are inside JMS server. Message Driven EJB is connected to Session EJB. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.